I'm sorry, TikTok lied to me with this one. It lied. GOOGii. Glam. Hey retro babes, it's GOOGii from the future here. I'm your favorite Afrofuturistic retro babe and your favorite alien, bimbo, barb, whatever you like to call it, your favorite YouTuber. And today, y'all, I done been through it. My camera here, she is not working. And it's not her, it's this. Like, a cautionary tale, don't buy cheap ass SD cards because now it won't fit in here, and so I have to record on my phone. So I apologize if the quality is not what you guys have been used to, but I also want to say I am so happy to have 900 subscribers. I love each and one of you. Welcome to the Retro Babe Gang. We have fun over here. We are aliens over here. Today I wanted to review this mini one styler. I'm finally getting on the bandwagon. Hold up, let me pause for a thumbnail. This one's the mini one, because it was like $15 at Sam's Beauty. It's supposed to be good for travel, but I actually like that it's a little bit smaller because my hair is thick and I like to work in small sections when I blow dry. I've been seeing mixed reviews on this trend. I've seen people get silk press results. I've seen people get bad results. I saw tips and tricks that I'm gonna try and see if this works. My hair's not heat trained, so I'm not going for like super straight look, but I do want it blow dry because I have another video of a half wig that I'm gonna do, which you guys should check that out. And if you want to be notified for that, you should be subscribed and turn those notifications on. This is the Hot and Hotter mini one-step hairstyler from the Pro collection. It is travel size and compact, high pressure technology, and it says it is powerful. Now, I did open it and read the directions. They were very adamant on saying to not use this in the bathroom because there's a high chance you could be electrocuted, so I wanted to put that out. I always make sure with all of my hair videos to ensure you guys have safety with them, because a lot of us do DIY hair, especially since quarantine, being laid off, and I understand that. So I just want to make sure you think of all the safety precautions before you go into something. So I'm going to be doing my hair out here. I would suggest you wash your hair, then do your hair outside of the shower just to avoid that. This is what it looks like. It's kind of on the smaller side, but it's not tiny. Like, my hand still fits on it fine. It's still a decent size compared to my head, and it's not too small, but I really, like I said, I love this size, and I'm kind of glad I got the compact size. It's easy to travel with, and we trying to manifest traveling. We trying to manifest booked and busy and flights and getting flued out. And so on the bottom, it has the controls. Okay, it's not gonna focus because I don't have my camera, but it has the controls on here, and you just twist it to get the control you want. You twist it like that. And I'm assuming you just, you know, twist, blow dry, twist, blow dry. I've seen reviews saying to use it on cool until your hair is 60 to 70% dry, and then go to high heat. So I'm gonna wash my hair. Y'all, my hair is a mess. I had slicked down my hair, and I hate slicking down my hair because it always gets a ratted mess. It's kind of ridiculous. Yeah, so we're gonna wash that and I'm gonna come back. Okay, I'm back and my hair is freshly washed. My curls are actually really popping. Y'all, look how much my hair has grown, and it's healthy. Anyway, I'm just gonna take these clips and separate my hair, and we're gonna get into the blow dry. And I'm just gonna do a voiceover because who wants to hear all that? Not me. So yeah. So I already started one section just to see how the results were. Also, it was kind of for TikTok, so follow me on there as well. But yeah, I started off with the cool setting, and you guys can see how I'm struggling to even get this brush through. I don't know why that was happening, but it got easier as I went on. I did fully detangle my hair before starting this process, so that's why I was confused on why I was having so much trouble. But that's how my hair looks 60% dry, and then I turned the dryer up to high heat and just finished off that section. As you can see, it looks smoother and better, but those roots, baby, they're frizzy, clearly frizzy. I tried to do the cool little, you know, twirly swirl at the end, but my hair was getting snagged and caught in it, and it just wasn't working, so I just went back to regular blow drying. So I finished out the first half of my head, and I will say I was not pleased at all. like at all. It was frizzy, the roots were not getting dry, and no, not for me. No. Since I wasn't happy with those results, I went back to my regular blow dry routine.
Looks better already?
I'm gonna finish this side and give you guys my final thoughts.
Okay, so this side I use the round brush, and this side I use this. I'm just gonna let you look.
What do you do successfully? Quickly.
And let the results speak for themselves. So what I didn't like about this is that I felt like I really couldn't get the roots dry. I could get the roots, but I couldn't get them dry. Also, I couldn't get the ends as straight as I wanted to, and it just gave off a puffy look. I also think it's because I used the GOOGii, and for some reason it made my hair feel sticky, so I switched to the Miele heat protectant. I'm just gonna say it, tried and true. Tension method and a brush or a comb attachment just works better than anything. I don't think it's because I didn't buy the Revlon one, because I've seen people have results with all of these, including this brand. So I'm not gonna blame it on it being off brand. It was constantly overheating and that was burning my hands, so I had to keep stopping. And with the tried and true method, this took like 15 minutes. This took 30, so this cuts down half the time. Plus with the tension method, it's less on your hair. I definitely saw smoke coming off my hair using this, and I didn't see any smoke with this because, you know, it's just blow dryer. If you're not as able-bodied, this is not a good option for you, because I had to keep going over and over and over again and twisting, and it was getting hard on my hand and hard on my shoulder. So I would say if your hair is heat trained, or if you have a looser curl pattern or hair texture, go with this, try it. If you have a thicker hair texture and you're not palm, you this color, I would stick to the tension method. This one's good if you have relaxed hair or if your hair is heat trained. I can try it again if you guys want to give me some tips, but I want to hear in the comments is because I bought this brand. The proof is in the pudding. You can see the significant length difference. This side's more sleek and puffy. Now, if you want to use this for your whole head and then finish off with this, that's a good option. That's a good option. But using this alone, I'm sorry, TikTok lied to me with this one. It lied. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe and put your notification bells on, because I'm going to be doing a look with this blow dried hair, actually a couple looks, so stay tuned for those. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.